my god, I already fixed. So in this video, I will be doing my everyday makeup look. This is, oh, hold up, what happened? This is how it is. Do you see that highlight? Yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this simple makeup look, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, really easy. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia brow wiz in medium brown, but everything that I used is down below. And I'm sorry if I'm acting a little weird. I fast forwarded so it would go faster, but a lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows, so I wanted to include everything from the beginning until the end. I basically outlined at the sorry, that's my dog, at the bottom and then top, and then fill it in and brush it. It's really easy. It takes practice though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, over here I'm just showing you guys how and where I apply my concealer. So under the eyes, bridge of the nose, on my forehead, chin, side of the nose, wherever you have redness or wherever you want to cover. Oh, actually before I put this on, I used a moisturizer. So whatever moisturizer you guys use. Now I'm just blending it in with my ring finger. Having fun with it, you know. Not rubbing it off, like taking out the product, but make sure you just tap it and all that good stuff. I would use a beauty blender, but since this is a quick everyday get out the house thing for me, I just use my ring finger. Make sure your hands are clean though. So yeah, blending. Now it's time to set the concealer with a loose setting powder by Coty Airspun. It's really cheap and it's gonna last you a long time. If you buy this product, I suggest you do because it's cheap and it will last you a long time, and it's really, really good. So I just put that all over my face to give myself a little coverage, and setting the concealer that we put. Gets a little messy, but yeah. Over here I'm just curling my non-existent eyelashes so it can look like we have a little eyelashes, okay? Okay, come on, it's not gonna happen. AJ, hurry up. I'm just kidding. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Everything is still down below in case I forget anything. Ooh, okay, we can see your eyelashes now. Next is I'm just using an angled brush to bronze up this face. We need a little contour, you know, and tap the excess off so it doesn't apply harsh. There we go. Okay. See? So right now I'm just getting a little lipstick and applying, just dabbing it on my lips to give it a little bit of color and spreading it out. Alright, so that's how I do my everyday makeup. But if you want to be a little extra, we can add a little highlight. So first, I spray my face with this e.l.f. makeup mist and set. Ooh, we glowing. I don't even have highlight yet, but first, ooh, I got a little too close. I sprayed my face, and then I'll spray this as well. And I use a combination of two highlights. I use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder and the MAC Soft and Gentle. As I said, everything will be listed down below, everything that I used, so no questions asked. I'll try to show you as much as I can. Ooh. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos of me, because it really motivates me. It really motivates me to do more of these type of videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Like I said, I'm gonna do my everyday makeup. Oh my gosh.